Boys and girls, here we are with question number 5. It says to solve on the whiteboard, show your work, and check your answer. A pet store has 7 pounds of rabbit food. A rabbit eats 1/8 pound of food per day. How many servings of rabbit food does the pet store have? Okay, if I could mark up over here, I would go through and find my important details. I would jail my details. So, the pet store has 7 pounds of food, so 7 pounds is important. A rabbit eats 1/8 of a pound per day. Okay, so that's very important to know right there. How many servings of rabbit food does the pet store have? Well, if it has 7 pounds, I needed to divide that into groups of 1/8 so that I can see how many servings the pet store has. So I'm going to set this up as a division problem. 7 divided by 1/8. Okay? Now, the next step is to use what I know about dividing with fractions. And over here, I'm going to put KFC. Because my dividend is a whole number, we can use that shortcut. Let me go through the steps first, and then we'll look at the shortcut. So, let's see here. 7 is going to become 7 over 1 divided by 1/8. I'm going to follow my KFC rules, and I'm going to keep my first fraction, 7 over 1. I'm going to flip my second fraction, becomes 8 over 1, and I'm going to change from division to multiplication. Next, I need to multiply my numerator. 7 times 8 is 56. And multiply my denominators. 1 times 1 is 1. And we know that any number over 1 is itself. So 56 over 1 is going to equal 56. So it has 56 servings of the rabbit food. Now let me go back here and show the shortcut, just to be safe, in case you did the shortcut way. We know that when our dividend is a whole number, we are going to keep that whole number and we're going to multiply, because we're still changing, by our opposite denominator. Because when I flip the 1/8, it becomes 8 over 1, and that's the same thing as 8 whole. So now I've got 7 times 8, which equals our 56, and I can say, 56 servings of the rabbit food. Check your work, make any changes to your whiteboard that you need to, and move on to the next problem.